how to archive all the Instagram posts at once. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be learning how we can archive all of our Instagram posts at once. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to archive all of your Instagram posts at once, just open up Instagram right here and go to your profile page. Now you can archive a certain one individually by going to that post, tapping the three dots option and tapping on archive, but this process might be tedious for some of you. So if you want to do this all at once, tap the three lines option from the top right hand side and go to your activity. From your activity, you'll find all of these options. So what we want to do is you want to find the option that says post over here. Now you will see all of the posts that you have. Tap the select tool from the top right and select all of the pictures like this. Now once you've selected everything, now you can tap the archive button from the bottom left to archive all of these posts at once. This way you can archive Instagram posts at once. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.